Today, I'll walk you through how to fix common power by refresh errors, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot and resolve these issues so you can keep your data flowing smoothly. First, let's get started by opening your Power BI dashboard. This is your command center for all things data, so make sure you have it ready. Next, navigate to the table where you're experiencing the problem. It's like looking for a needle in a haystack, but don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The steps will still apply. Now let's identify the issue. Often, the problem is an expression syntax error. This is a common hiccup that can occur when there are changes in your data source or if there are typos in your formulas. To fix this, go to your Home tab and click on Transform Data to open the query editor. This is where the magic happens, and you can make necessary adjustments to your queries. Once you're in the query editor, look at the Applied Steps pane on the right side of your screen. Here, you'll trace down the steps until you see a step flagged with a yellow or red error icon. This is your signal that something needs attention. Select that step and take a look at the formula bar. You may need to update the HUD column or table name to match the new source naming. If that column is no longer needed, you can simply delete the step. Think of it as cleaning out a cluttered closet. Sometimes you just need to get rid of what no longer serves you. After making your changes, click on Close and Apply to save your adjustments. Then, republish the report to ensure your updates take effect. It's like sending out the latest version of your favorite newsletter. You want everyone to have the most accurate information. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.